In the quiet shadows of history, there is a mystery that haunts the evolution of human conflict. We often look at the battlefield and see only the tools, the cold steel of a blade or the humming circuitry of a modern drone. But if we peel back the layers of time, we uncover a deeper puzzle. How did the human psyche adapt to the terrifying shift from looking an enemy in the eye to striking from invisible skies? Welcome to Culture Origin, where we investigate the ancestral roots of our modern world. Before we uncover the chilling transition from gunpowder to digital warfare, consider subscribing to join our journey through the corridors of time. The story of warfare is not merely a timeline of inventions, it is a psychological investigation into the limits of human resilience. Imagine, for a moment, the ancient warrior. For thousands of years, combat was a visceral and intimate encounter. Facing an opponent with an obsidian spear or a wooden bow demanded a specific mental state known as centered presence. In these ancient cultures, survival was deeply tied to emotional regulation. A warrior who lost control of his emotions often lost his life. This was the era of the individual, where the soul was as much a part of the armor as the leather shield itself. But a profound transformation was approaching, one that would permanently alter the distance between the one who kills and the one who is killed. The first major rupture in this ancestral paradigm occurred with the accidental discovery of gunpowder in the East. Originally sought as an elixir of immortality, this explosive substance became the ultimate instrument of death. As it traveled along the Silk Road, it dismantled the ancient tradition of the heroic duel. Suddenly, a peasant wielding a crude fire lance could defeat a knight who had spent a lifetime mastering the sword. The true mystery here lies in detachment. For the first time, death could be delivered from a distance the human eye could barely comprehend. This technological leap forced a radical evolution in military discipline. Warfare was no longer about individual valor, but about the mechanical synchronization of thousands of bodies. The psychological burden shifted from the trauma of physical struggle to the haunting uncertainty of unseen attacks. As we pass through the smoke of the industrial age, our investigation arrives at the 20th century, when the scale of warfare reached a terrifying crescendo. The battlefield grew even more enigmatic as chemical gases and long-range artillery transformed landscapes into lifeless wastelands. Here, ancestral wisdom was tested to its absolute limit. Soldiers were forced to search for meaning in a world where death became randomized and industrialized. The sacred connection to the land, so vital to indigenous warriors, was replaced by the cold geometry of trenches. Yet even in this darkness, the human mind sought stability, clinging to rituals and brotherhood to survive the psychological onslaught of mechanized destruction. Today, we stand at the threshold of the most enigmatic chapter of all, the era of drones and artificial intelligence. Inside modern command centers, thousands of miles from the battlefield, operators sit in climate-controlled rooms. The mystery has reached its peak. We have achieved maximum distance, yet the psychological consequences remain deeply personal. Research shows that drone operators often experience higher levels of moral injury than soldiers on the front lines. The human brain, shaped by millennia of face-to-face interaction, struggles to reconcile the reality of digital warfare. This is the ghost in the machine paradox. We have mastered the physics of destruction, but we are still searching for the ancestral balance required to wield such power without losing our humanity. By tracing this chronological thread, from the flint arrow to the silicon chip, we discover that the true evolution of warfare is not found in metal or machines, but in the human mind. Ancient cultures understood that discipline and emotional control were the only real defenses against the chaos of war. As we move deeper into an era of autonomous weapons and invisible threats, those ancestral lessons of mental resilience become more relevant than ever. We must ask ourselves, In our pursuit of perfect distance, have we sacrificed the vulnerability that defines what it means to be human? Thank you for exploring this profound mystery with us at Culture Origin. Understanding our past is the only way to navigate the complexities of our future. If you found this investigation into the evolution of warfare and the human spirit valuable, leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into our collective history. Subscribe now to support our mission of bringing ancestral wisdom into the modern world. Stay resilient, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next chapter.